Good morning, knuckleheads. Welcome to Trading with the Meatball. We're looking at the VIX on the daily, and she told us SPY was going to crash, and we've posted every day since I don't know when to watch the VIX if you're trading SPY. This is the daily, and we're looking at the VIX and the spike it took in April of 2020, March of February, March of 2020 for COVID, and so that was the COVID spike all the way up to 84. And here's another spike recently up to 60, right? Back in August of last year, if you remember that one hurt. If anybody saw that one. Okay. And so here's the last big one in December of 2024. Now we've already gone over that. And so if you take all this shit off the chart and you zoom out, you know, I'd say this sucker may have bottomed out and she's going to do a little curl. And she's proven to be violent before. If this was a stock, I'd be looking at it to go about halfway up to what it did on the last spike, and that puts her up about 40 to 45 easy. And she's definitely going up. I mean, there's no doubt about it. And you can figure out where's it going to stop. Well, you just draw a little zone at the top of the wicks for the last movement, which is right here. So that's most likely your bitch right there. Most likely. And so you put your target. We have a trend line, which is the long term downtrend right there. It doesn't have to stop there, but they usually chop or resist. Right now, you have this breakout happening from Friday, and that's your daily candle. So that's your breakout on Friday. You can expect she's going to push the top of this level, and that line goes down. And, as time goes by, like on April 9th, it's only 29.80, but right now it's like 30. But I mean, you could see what's going to happen. Does it have to go all the way up there? No, but having broken out the way it did, it's going to try to do something in this range, whether it reaches the 30 level or not. I mean, just zoom out. That's the answer to any question. And I'd say it's going to test 40 to 45. I think it breaks right through here. But yeah, you have to look at the next target when you enter a trade. And so I look at VIX the same way. What's the target for that? 30. Okay, so go to SPY. SPY's going to go 500, 540. Easy. If you zoom out, SPY can go 480. And all you got to do is if you get rid of this stuff here and put your cursor at the bottom, 548 your next level. That's 7 points lower than where she's at, or 4 or 5 points. It's pre-market. And so 535 is the next level. And then look for bottoms of right there, 511 and 504. And there's 488. And so you can plot it all the way down to 480. Just watch the VIX. She'll tell you what's going to happen. I watched the VIX on a 5 minute. It looks like this, and she's up pre-market. And this is what the breakout looked like on Friday morning right here. And it broke out of this downtrend. This is the downtrend line. So watch the VIX. It helps you know what's going to happen before it happens, right? Because you want to know before, so you can make money. If you just wanted to know what's going to happen after, then you would follow the big famous gurus on Twitter because they only post after the big move, right? They never tell you anything before it happens. That's why you come here. All right, love you too. Have a great day. Go take their lunch money.